good guys, it's my Aries style. Today I'm with the beautiful model Victoria Franco Fernandez.
Yes.
Was that correct? Yeah.
You're correct.
We're going to do a beach swimwear shots. And let's get started. So the topic here is how to make a petite model appears taller or have a better body ratio. There are three factors to make a person look taller than she actually is. That is lens distortion, camera angle, and of course posing. And that's why 24mm or 35mm choice here makes a huge difference. And we're going to discuss all the factors in this photo shoot. So there are two kinds of model. The traditional runway model, which is usually above 1.7 or 1.75 meters, and they have a very strict requirements on the body weights as well. On the other hand, with still models, your height and weight does not matter that much as long as you have personal characteristics. That's the case with Victoria. She's 1.6 meters tall, which is 6 foot 3 inches, which is average Australian woman sort of height. I'm just going to tell you my personal experience. I feel like with runway model, it's better to use 35mm to exaggerate the lower body ratio slight bit. But if you have a still model, which is on the petite side, then 24mm will probably be a better choice to make the image more appealing to the audience. And the side notes of choosing 24mm, you notice that I pretty much stay with lower angle, which her legs will be closer to the lens. The lens distortion will make her lower body looks a bit longer than upper body, and her right foot is actually close to the camera. That's how you combine your lens choice with camera angle as well as the posing. Those three factors comes together as a package. You like grabbing up? So yeah, perfect. Let me have a look. It's really good. And this finger, just try to grab it up, yeah. So here I'm starts to work on the 3/4. That's why I move my camera angle a tad bit so that her face looks less distorted. Down and up, down and up. It's almost like doing yoga. Still using 24mm, and I was doing a walking away from me sort of pose, and then I realized it's a mistake because she does not appear as tall as I expected in the image. That's why I get her to face me and point her toe downwards so that I get to see the full length of her feet pointing downwards. That actually adds into her height. And if I make her hands up rather than hands down, that sort of increase her proportion in the image as well. Even taller, does it make sense? Yeah, and one leg down, perfect. I see your ribs, that's perfect. Hands up, one, yeah, perfect. You enjoy the sound? Oh, it's really good. At 35mm is perfect for closer-up images such as half body, because I can safely place her face on the edge without much distortion. Move on to the beach shots. I start to do 35mm to do half body, which is great because it carries certain subtle distortion. If I want to exaggerate her lower swimwear or lower bodies, I will just start from low angle because her butt will be closer to the image. That would make her butt looks fuller and makes her face, which is further away from image, smaller, which is quite nice. And of course, we can shoot from higher angle, which is your first viewer angle, boyfriend angle. Face me? That will make her upper body looks fuller than the lower body, which for Victoria's case, it actually works for her body figure. Yeah, I like the hair part. And water shots. As you guys can see, I don't have any assistant today, so which is makes a challenge to carry any more accessory than lights. With 35mm, I wouldn't be able to cover her full body without, make the crop too tight. So I took out 24mm in this case, get her to lie down and get her the foot to point towards camera, because whatever is closer to the camera looks larger. In the final image, there will be some distortion, but I feel like that's fine. Because look, with 24mm, at least you get to capture the full body. And with 35mm, like for my height, I'm 1.8 meters, I'm struggling. Perfect, nice. When I say the wave is coming, so you know, right? So you have to arch your back a bit, yeah, perfect. Exaggerate, it'd be really cool, like enjoy the water, yeah. Hands up, hands up. Okay, it's coming. So we managed to do a photo shoot with our assistant today. We broke our light stand.
We did.
And the water was crazy.
Yes,
today.
The waves were really harsh. We definitely couldn't go in the water because very harsh.
I know, but we managed to do it. We managed to get it done, and can't wait to share with you guys.
Yeah.
Make sure you follow Victoria on her Instagram. This is your my Aries towel. I will see you the next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about my formula of combination of the lens choice, camera angle, as well as the posing. If you can like and subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. If you can comment below, that'd be much appreciated. And do let me know what would you like me to cover in the future video. I'll see you soon. Victoria Franco, right?
Yeah, Franco Fernandez. Victoria Franco Fernandez.